Hey guys, welcome to another video of Fusion Studios. In this video, we are going to unbox and review the Honor Band 6. Honor was actually a sub-brand of Huawei, but now they were separated into two different brands. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox the Honor Band 6. If you want to buy the Honor Band 6, go to the description and you can find the link to buy. The main competitors of Honor Band 6 are Huawei Band 6 and MI Band 6. The one I bought is meteorite black color and also the wristband type is meteorite black silicone strap. The MRP of the product is actually 6000 rupees, but I have bought it on Flipkart for approx 4000. The country of origin is China and the month and year of import is June 2021. Also it shows that the box contains the watch, the charging cable, the charging cradle and the warranty card. Now moving on to the specifications of the Honor Band 6. It has a 2.5D arc glass design. The Honor Band 6 comes with a 1.47 AMOLED color touchscreen and also it has 100 plus fabulous watch faces. It have a 24/7 heart rate monitoring system and also automatic workout detection. It supports fast charging and can also detect the stress level. Comparing to Huawei Band 6, it supports only 10 workout modes. It have long battery life, sleep tracking capability and it is 5 ATM water resistant. The Honor Band 6 can detect indoor or outdoor walking, running, and elliptical and rover modes automatically. Now talking about the battery life, it lasts 14 days on normal usage and 10 days on heavy usage. So comparing with the Honor Band 5, this one have a long battery life. The Honor Band 6 supports a superior fast charging than the Honor Band 5, so it charges way faster than the Honor Band 5. Upon opening the box, we can see the meteorite black color of the Honor Band 6. Next we can see the charging cable and some booklets. Here the first one is the warranty card and the next one is the safety information booklet, which have the information of how to connect to the charger, how to power on and how to connect to the app. Now let's take a look at the charging cable of the Honor Band 6. It comes in white color but would have been better if it matches the color of the watch. On one side we have a magnetic connector and on the other side we have a type A connector. Here we have the fabulous looking Honor Band 6 and it's very shiny. The display is very much vulnerable to scratches, so it is better not to peel off the default screen protector we have. Now moving on to the left, we have the Honor branding. Moving on to the right, we have the all-in-one button which have a red highlight. I mentioned all-in-one because it acts as the home or back button and also when you press and hold it acts as the power button. The Honor band comes with a classic buckle type strap which is non-replaceable. Even on the strap, we have the Honor branding. On the back, we have the heart rate and Spo2 sensor and also the place to connect the magnetic charger. The magnetic charger can be attached very easily like this without any difficulty. Now let me wear the Honor Band 6 on my wrist to see how well it fits. Tightening the strap is a little bit difficult for the Honor Band 6. But when it's tightened, it fits very perfectly. Now as you can see, the size is neither too small nor too large. According to me, this is the perfect size for the band series and it have a larger display than the MI Band 6. Now let's power on the Honor Band 6 by pressing and holding the button. So after powering on, it asks for the language, so just select the English UK. We cannot just pair this app via Bluetooth, so we need the Huawei Health App to pair this. So let's go ahead and download the app. Here I am using a Samsung A52 to download the app. So let's go to the Play Store and search Huawei Health. Now just select that and install the app. Even though Huawei and Honor are separated, the Honor is still using the Huawei Health App for pairing. Huawei sold Honor back in November 2020 as an attempt to shelter the brand from the trade war between US and China. The Huawei Health App is installed, so let's open the app. The default service region will be shown as United States, so just change the region according to you. After that, just follow the procedures and click on the next button. The Huawei Health App needs GPS turned on, so just select the option while using the app. Now it moves to the page called Location Permission. Here just select Allow only while using the app. Now we are all done. Now on the top right corner we can see 3 dots. Just click on that and select the Add option. Here select the Smart Band option and as you can see below, it will update all the new bands. After it's all updated, go to the Honor section and select the Honor Band 6 option. Now we move on to a new page, then click on the pair button below. After that, a pop-up will come and just select Enable. Now it goes to the location settings, so just turn it on. It will search for nearby devices, so select the Honor Band 6 D72 option. Now it starts pairing, so move on to the watch and click the check mark. Now the pairing gets successful. Moving on to the smartphone, just check all the checkboxes. So when the updates are released, it gets automatically downloaded over Wi-Fi and gets installed. Now select the enable button to enable all the notifications. And here on the notification axis, select the Health app and allow the notifications. Here you get a wide list of apps. Just enable the notification access to get the notifications on your Honor Band 6. After that, just allow the contact access as the Honor Band 6 supports call function. So when we get a call, we get notified on the band and we can also end the call through Smart Band. To get accurate heart rate and Spo2 measurements, just wear the Honor Band 6 one finger away from the wrist. Now we have successfully paired with the app. Now let's move on to the Honor Band 6. Swipe down to access the notification panel. The first option is used so that the device will not vibrate for incoming calls and notifications. The second option is used to turn the screen on for 5 minutes. The next option is used to find the phone.
I'm here. I'm here.
Just like that, it shows the location of the phone. The next option is used to set an alarm. The last one is the settings option. Now let's check on the display settings and select watch faces. Here we get a bunch of watch faces that are pre-installed on the Honor Band 6. If you don't like those, you can download some from the app. The next one is the favorite option. The minus button is used to remove from favorites and the arrow button is used to move it up in the favorites. We can store up to 5 favorites. If you need to add more, remove any of the above and select the add button. Next is the brightness option where we can select the levels from 1 to 5. Now the last one is the advanced option. Here we can select the sleep time and also the screen time on the Honor Band 6. That's all about display. Now let's go to the vibration option. Here we can select the vibration level from strong, soft or none. Next is the do not disturb mode. After that we have the workout settings and just enable the auto detect workout option. You can just scroll down to know the details. Next is the system option where you can restart, power off and reset the smart band. Below we have the about option where we get the device name, model number, MAC address, version, SN number, etc. Swiping to the left or right from the home screen, we can access the favorites in the order we have set earlier. We can access the notification list by swiping up from the home screen. Like all other smartwatch or smart band, we can touch and hold the watch face to change it quickly. And as I have mentioned earlier, to restart or power off the Honor Band 6, just press and hold the button and you can access them. From the home screen, just tap the button once to access the app list. First, let's check out the workout option. Here we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycle, pool swim and elliptical and also the rower. If you are doing any other workout apart from these, just click on others. Next is the workout record option where we get all the records of the workout we have done. Next we have the heart rate monitor. It monitors our heart rate each time as it has a 24/7 heart rate monitoring system. We also get a small graph of the heart rate recorded each time. Next is the Spo2 sensor, so when we select that, it starts measuring with a 3-second timer. As you all know, after the corona pandemic, a Spo2 sensor has been mandatory for everyone while buying a smart band or smartwatch. After the loading screen, it shows the reading like this. Here we have the heart rate, on top we have the Spo2 level and it shows measuring. When you click Spo2, it shows the detailed info. That is the percentage of hemoglobin in your blood that contains the oxygen. It also shows the normal, moderate and critical levels of Spo2. It shows test again below when the measurement is complete. Below is the activity record which shows all the workouts we have done, calories we have burned, distance we have walked, the steps, etc. It also includes the hours we are active and the goal we have met. The next is the sleep option where it records our sleep. It also shows how many hours we have slept. Next is the stress option which we have to enable automatic stress test in the Health app. After that it shows the current stress level here. The next is the breathing exercise option. Next is the music option where we can remotely control the volume level, change tracks, play or pause the music on the phone. Next we have the notification option where we can see all the notifications. Then the weather option, stopwatch, timer, alarm and flashlight. Next we have the find phone option and the settings option. In the settings option we can change the workout settings or the system settings. I forgot to mention that on the notification panel it shows the battery percentage, date and day. When we change the watch face on the watch, it does not get changed on the Huawei Health App. Now let's move on to the customizations we can do on the Huawei Health App. So when we select the watch store, it shows some permissions and policy which we should allow. Now the watch face store will be opened. Here we can see a numerous number of watch faces. We can select different categories like hot, new, analog and free. Most of the watch faces are paid. Those who like to buy the watch face, you can buy from here. And those who want to download it for free, go to the free section. Most of the watch faces in the store are like cartoonish and not that premium. Just like the MI Band 6, Honor Band 6 can also customize the watch face. Now what we saw here are all from the recommended section. Now let's go ahead and click on the Mine section. Here we can see the installation manager, purchase and download history and also the favorites. We can also edit and delete the pre-installed watch faces if we want. Now to create your customizable watch face, click the gallery option and here you can select the background, style and layout. When we select the style option, we can see different colored fonts with different font style. It would have been better if we can customize the color of each font. Next is the layout option where we have two layouts that are up and down. Now let's select background option to customize our watch face. I was having so much trouble to find the plus option as it cannot be even seen through the naked eye. I hope they will fix this issue in the next software update. So as you can see here, we can crop the image that we want and customize our watch face. After that, just click the save button. It took more than 30 seconds to save this new customized watch face and send it to the Honor Band 6. The customizable watch face does not support analog watch for most of the smartwatches and smartbands. As you can see, after the saving is complete, it gets instantly transferred to the Honor Band 6. Next, we have the health monitoring option where we can enable or disable Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring and also automatic stress level. Now when we enable automatic stress test, it tells us to calibrate. So for calibration, attach the watch firmly to our wrist and stay still. Now on the smart band, it shows measuring and on the phone, it shows some questions. It says how well does the following statement describe you. We have about 12 questions and the options are strongly disagree, disagree, agree and strongly agree. So after selecting the correct options according to you, select the submit button. Next we have the help button that is used to know all the details about this app. The other options are troubleshooting, alarm and weather reports. On the other section, we can enable or disable notifications and we have device settings. Just enable or disable according to you. Next we have the restore factory settings option and the firmware update where the latest update is already been installed. Now here we have the detailed info like the steps, exercise records where we can add any exercise or see the stats. Next one is the heart rate option where we can see all the recorded heartbeats. Just like the smart band, it shows the graph and also the lowest and highest heart rate it reached and also the settings where we can enable the heart rate warning and set the heart rate limit. It also shows the heartbeat levels for extreme, anaerobic, aerobic, fat burning and warm up. Next is the sleep option where it records our sleeping activity and from here we can enable the Huawei True Sleep option. Next is the weight option where we can add a record or we can measure our weight. So to measure we can link weighing devices and we can see the scales getting updated. Here it supports the scales for Huawei, Honor and Peacock as you can see here. Next is the stress option where the stress levels get recorded here. It also shows the graph and the average stress levels. We can even start a stress test like this. Now you can see the 1 minute timer starts and the Honor Band 6 starts measuring. The next option is the more option where we can calibrate or see the info. Similarly, we have the Spo2 option where we can see all the Spo2 measurements we have done. Comparing to Huawei Band 6, it does not support 24/7 Spo2 measurement. Next, we have the edit option where we can edit the home page of the app and we can rearrange accordingly. On the bottom, we can see the exercise option. When we click on that, we can see outdoor run, indoor run, walk, cycle, etc. We can see the workout activities and directions we have walked on the map when we pair it with the Huawei Health App. Next, we have the device option which shows all the devices we have connected on the Huawei Health App. The last one is the Me option where we can set up the profile and settings of the app. Now let's check out the settings option. First we have the goal option. Here we can set the goal for how many steps we can walk and how many weight we should gain or lose. Next we can see the notification management option. Here we can enable or disable options like step count, notify when daily target is met, enable or disable system notification and pop-up. Next we have the privacy settings, then the units where we can set to metric or imperial. Next we have the data sharing option where we can link and share the data to Google Fit or MyFitnessPal. Now let's go back from the settings and select the message option. Here it shows all the messages we get on the Huawei Health App. Next is the profile option where we can select the gender, date of birth, height or even weight. So that's all about the Honor Band 6. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you have any queries, comment in the comment section below. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends. So thank you for watching the video guys. Click on the subscribe and the bell button to get our latest updates.